It's almost time for Advent of Code 2023. This year I have decided that my main challenge will be to focus on solving as many problems as I can using Go. I haven't written a single line of Go in the past, but I heard that it's a very boring language. So I decided, why not to give it a try and decide for myself if I agree that it's such a boring language. And this boredom comes from its simplicity, because authors of the language wanted to keep it as simple as possible. So I guess that's why it could be boring, because it lacks some cool features that maybe make at the same time language more complex. And Advent of Code is a good opportunity to try and experiment with the language. Because there are at least few things I believe you're gonna try. First of all, you need to somehow know what the problem from the Advent of Code that is generated specifically for you. You can of course just copy the text and stick it into a string. It's always a solution. But it's much more fun if you if you can see how can you load the file and read the file using the language you write your code with. So I have decided not to compete for speed within my company. I never compete on the international level. This is too crazy and impossible for me. But compared to previous years, I have decided that I don't want to compete for speed to try to be the fastest at the company to solve the problem, but I probably want to compete for perseverance this year. And can I solve problems for 25 consecutive days? So that's why I decided to start from day 0. And this day I'm focusing only on solving the very first problem from the previous year, where I just tried to explore a little bit and sort of like meet the Go language syntax for the first time. I see how we declare variables, how we create if-else statements, how we create loops, how we read file, how we show errors, how we output, etc. And as you can see, I was successful. I guess it took approximately 20 minutes of real time to find the solution and find all the pieces of Go I needed to solve the problem. So it's nice to celebrate it with some beer and tasty dinner. Thank you for watching.